Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to askNK. So, FlippedNormals marketplace is closing, and this is due to certain issues that has to do with maintaining the website and managing both creators and customers. Launched in 2018, FlippedNormals marketplace has been an amazing digital marketplace and learning platform offering 3D assets, tools, and tutorials for artists in both games, VFX, and animation. And due to some financial discomfort, the marketplace is closing soon. On a Twitter post that the folks at FlippedNormals put together, it simply reads as follows: "Since we started FlippedNormals, our mission has been to provide a home for high-quality CG tutorials and resources in the world. However, the financial reality of hosting and managing marketplaces has shifted. To ensure FlippedNormals can continue to serve the community for years to come, we have had to make a difficult decision. So, on March 31st of 2026, we will be closing the FlippedNormals marketplace. But FlippedNormals itself isn't really going away, but it will change. We are currently building our brand new streamlined platform, which is dedicated exclusively to FlippedNormals exclusive and FlipBoxes. And this new site will feature more premium and better designed product pages and an improved user experience. The content will be significantly more laser focused. By narrowing our scope, we can put 100% of our energy into making our FlippedNormals exclusive and FlipBoxes shine." Down here, you would also see that they did go ahead to emphasize on some stuff, that we've done everything in our power to keep the marketplace afloat, including significant team salary reduction, but it has become clear that the current model is no longer sustainable. Some important timeline to keep in mind is on 17th of March, the closing sale begins, as this is the last chance to support your favorite creators. On 31st of March, the marketplace closes. On April the 15th, there's a final creator payout, and 30th of April, the file hosting ends, and this is the final day to download your purchases and back up your creator data. Additionally, there's some information for customers and also FlippedNormals exclusive. There is a heartfelt thank you to the 3,500 creators who trusted them with their work, and also a heartfelt thank you to the 490,000 customers who supported these creators during the time. Now, someone actually went on to say perhaps do what the folks at the VFX Tool did, which is actually just, making things totally free. But the thing here is, even though the marketplace is closing, the folks at FlippedNormals are not closing. They're just closing the marketplace while they focus on other things that has to do with the company itself. There's a couple of conversations back and forth with creators, and this is more like a sad news to lots of creators that actually follow up with FlippedNormals and the things that they put together, especially their marketplace. And what this simply means is that the FlipBoxes, which is pretty similar to what we have with Humble Bundle, but more about the creative art rather than games and softwares, is still going to be available. At the same time, the FlippedNormals exclusive, which is more like their very own exclusive courses, tools, and assets, would also be available. So if you're thinking about learning any of the things from them, this is also going to be available, and this is not going out anytime soon. However, most of the tools and also resources that you have here might be going away. So just in case you like to grab some of these nice discounts before 31st of March of 2026, then this might just be your time to get it. And currently, they're doing a marketplace closing sale, which is running from now till 31st of March of 2026. So just in case you like to purchase anything, you can simply come through and grab these while offer lasts. So whether you're looking for like Blender tutorials, Blender add-ons, Substance tutorials, Substance tools, Marvelous Designer tools, Momoset tools, Unreal Engine tools, or even Dash 3D tools, model, brushes, assets, all of that stuff, then you might simply come through and check this out, as most creators on FlippedNormals do give very competitive discounts compared to various marketplaces. So in case you're thinking about getting some of these nice assets that have been created for both VFX, animation, modeling, or even some nice cool brushes and stuff that you can work with, then by every means possible, come through and explore and check these ones out. At the same time, the FlipBox is also available. I've already covered that before, and you might also go ahead and check out some of the things that are now available with the FlipBox, which are pretty interesting. And something else to keep in mind is this, that the folks at Physical Addons, the creators of the Physical Atmosphere, the Open Waters, and so on, they've actually put together a form, and this is for anyone that purchased their product on FlippedNormals. So if you did purchase any of their products on FlippedNormals, you can actually come through and check out this form, enter your details so that they can find a way of migrating you from either the FlippedNormals to Superhive or Gumroad. So what this means is if you already purchased their product previously, you don't necessarily need to purchase it again to get any updates that comes with it. So you can come through and fill these forms out. I'm going to link these ones in the description just in case you find this useful. So the FlippedNormals marketplace is closing due to the cost of maintaining and providing services to creators. However, FlippedNormals itself will still remain and will be offering the FlipBox exclusive bundles and some of their FlippedNormals exclusive products. So this is it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, Peace.